Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. Quick question. Have you ever stood at the airport check-in counter and suddenly forgotten every English word you know? Or maybe your flight was delayed, and you had no idea what the announcement was saying? Well, today's lesson is going to fix all of that. And do not go anywhere, there is a quiz at the end. Can you get the right answer? Let us find out. So, the airport. It is one of the most exciting places in the world, but also one of the most stressful, right? Especially when you are flying in a country where English is the main language. Maybe you need to check in for your flight. Maybe your bag is too heavy. Or maybe your flight is delayed and you do not understand the announcement. These are all situations you will definitely face when traveling abroad. And here is the thing. Airport staff are professionals, and they usually speak fast. But they will be patient and kind if you know the right phrases. So today, we are going to walk through 3 real airport conversations. Checking in, dealing with a baggage issue, and asking about a delayed flight. By the end of this video, you will feel super confident the next time you fly in English. Let us go. Alright, here are today's 5 key phrases. Get ready. Phrase 1. I would like to check in for my flight to London. Use this at the check-in counter to start the conversation. I would like to check in for my flight to London. Phrase 2. How many bags are you checking? Checking a bag means sending it to the plane's cargo hold. How many bags are you checking today? Phrase 3. Could I have an aisle seat, please? Aisle, by the way, the S is silent. It sounds like aisle. Could I have an aisle seat, please? Phrase 4. My bag is over the weight limit. Use this if your bag is too heavy. My bag is over the weight limit. Phrase 5. Has my flight been delayed? Delayed means it will leave later than scheduled. Has my flight been delayed? Now, let us see these in action.
Good morning. Where are you flying today? Hi. I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please. Sure, may I see your passport? Here you go. Thank you. How many bags are you checking today? Just one. Perfect. Please place it on the scale. Okay. Oh, and could I have an aisle seat, please? Let me check. Yes, I have seat 24C available. Is that okay? That's great, thank you. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight is at gate 15, and boarding starts at 10:30. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful flight.
Nice job, Hannah. She used 2 of our key phrases right away. First, I would like to check in for my flight to London. Super polite, super clear, exactly what the agent needs to hear. Then she asked, could I have an aisle seat, please? Remember, the S in aisle is silent. It sounds like aisle. An aisle seat is the one next to the walkway, so it is easy to get up. A window seat is by the window, great for the view. And a middle seat? Well, nobody loves the middle seat. Also, notice Sarah said, here is your boarding pass. The boarding pass is the ticket you need to get on the plane. Do not lose it. And she said, boarding starts at 10:30. We will come back to that word, boarding. It is important. Alright, let us see what happens next.
Oh, it looks like your bag is a little over the weight limit.
Really? How much over?
It's 26 kilos. The limit is 23, so you're 3 kilos over.
Oh no. What are my options?
You can pay an overweight fee, which is $75. Or, if you have a carry-on, you can move some items into that.
Let me move some clothes to my carry-on. Can I do that here?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, I moved a few things. Can you check again?
Let's see. 22.8 kilos. You're good to go.
Phew. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great flight.
Great conversation. Lots of useful travel vocabulary here. First, your bag is over the weight limit. Most airlines have a limit of 23 kilos, which is about 50 pounds. If you go over, you will usually pay an overweight fee. Then Mark said, if you have a carry-on, you can move some items into that. A carry-on is the small bag you take onto the plane with you. A checked bag is the big one that goes under the plane. Very important difference. Hannah was smart, she moved some clothes to her carry-on to avoid the fee. That is a real travel tip. And at the end, Mark said, you are good to go. This is a super common English phrase. It means everything is fine, you can continue. You will hear this all the time. Alright, time for the final scene. The quiz is coming up.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Hi. I'm flying to London. Has my flight been delayed?
Yes, unfortunately. The flight has been delayed by about 30 minutes. We're now boarding at 11 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Is there a reason?
Just some light weather in London. Nothing serious, just a small delay.
Got it. Is there anywhere I can grab a coffee nearby?
There's a cafe just down the hall on your left. You have plenty of time.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please be back at the gate by 10:50. We'll start boarding soon after that.
Will do. Thanks.
Excellent. Let us break down that conversation. Hannah used our key phrase. Has my flight been delayed? Perfect for any travel situation. Ryan said, the flight has been delayed by about 30 minutes. Delayed means the flight will leave later than originally scheduled. Not cancelled, just later. He also said, we are now boarding at 11 o'clock. Listen carefully, boarding is one of the most important airport words. And Hannah said, is there anywhere I can grab a coffee? Grab is a casual word that means get quickly. Native speakers use it all the time. Grab a coffee, grab a snack, grab a seat. Alright, now it is quiz time. Ryan announced, we are now boarding at 11 o'clock. What does boarding mean? A. Checking passengers' passports. B. Passengers getting onto the plane. C. Loading luggage onto the plane. Now it is your turn. Write your answer in the comments. I will check every single one and let you know if you got it right. How many of you can get it right? Great job today, everyone. Now you can fly with confidence. Checking in, handling baggage issues, and understanding delays. These are real, practical skills you will use every time you travel. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. Next time, we are jumping into a taxi. Get ready to ride in English. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.